Welcome to this class. Today we are going to learn how to use the word as a conjunction, right? Okay. To show you the use of as a conjunction, let me take an example so that you can understand it clearly. So look, as you are leaving last, lock the door, right? What is the parts of speech of this word? Look, conjunction. A conjunction can connect two clauses. Clause 1 and clause 2. Look, you are leaving last. This is clause 1 and lock the door. This is clause 2. Since as is connecting two clauses, so this as is a conjunction, right? Okay, as you are leaving last, lock the door. Look, what is clause? Clause means subject plus finite verb, right? So are leaving is a finite verb and lock the door. Here this is a sentence, this is an imperative sentence, so you have subject you, right? So this is another clause, you lock the door. So this is subject and this is finite verb, right? So this as is a conjunction. Here the meaning of as is since or because, right? You can replace this as by since or because. Okay, let me take another example so that you can understand. Pay as you enter. The meaning of this as is when. Pay when you enter. That is, here this is an imperative sentence, so you have subject you, right? So you pay, this is clause 1 and you enter, this is clause 2. So this as is connecting two clause. That is why this as is a conjunction, right? So we can easily use as a conjunction. I hope, believe and expect that you have understood what I am trying to teach you. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.